Sandile Chillies Bhengu was an infamous Umlazi gang leader. He died at the age of 36. It's claimed on social media that his gang members would be committing crimes as a tribute to him. 7 arrests were made after his death and funeral. Among the arrests were 2 men in military and navy uniform. It was later discovered they do not work for either one of the law enforcement. They were immediately arrested for impersonating law enforcement officers.
Sentana amlengo ngiyangihlanyisa yogcwala inja namhlanje kofinza kusunwe kuba ngempela ke namhlanje njani manje yogcwala umsunanini yogcwala inja amarongo.
To that evening at around 9 o'clock, officers were shot at during patrols in J section. Police immediately deployed additional vehicles to the area and 2 men were arrested. They were found in possession of unlicensed firearms and ammunition. On that Friday night, during a roadblock in B section, police spotted a vehicle spinning tires. Police managed to stop the vehicle and recovered dagga in the vehicle. All 3 suspects who were in the vehicle were immediately arrested. On Friday night, 8 September, several cars were allegedly stolen from Chatsworth and burnt in Umlazi. This was apparently done in Bhengu's honor. Police said all the arrests were linked to the events around Bhengu.
Kan